Hello and welcome to the introduction tutorial for the new Nevada online licensing system for medical laboratories. We hope this video will answer any questions you may have about starting to use this new system, which will enable you to easily apply for a license, renew your license, view inspection results, submit plans of correction, make payments, and more. Let's get started. The easiest way to get to the online licensing system for medical laboratories will be through the DPBH website at dpbh.nv.gov. The address is circled in red at the top of the slide. Keep this site on the favorites of your computer, as there are resources and information here that will be useful to you. The facility locator that you have used in the past has been rebuilt, taking into consideration requests from various providers, and even more improvements are being worked into the new facility locator format. Please note that once you have reached the main page of the DPBH website, you will need to click on Medical Laboratory Services under the Quick Links area to the right of the page, again circled here in red. Once you choose Medical Laboratory Services from the Quick Links, you will be presented with a long page of options. There's a lot of information on this page, but for this presentation, you will need to click the link under Click Link to open the licensing system at the end of the section titled with the orange header Programs and Services. The link here is circled in red. Once you've clicked the online licensing system link, you will be given the option to log into the system. If you're an existing provider with a license number, choose the Register Here link to reach the area for registration. In order to register, you must have the WebID number. You were sent your individual WebID number in a letter mailed in January. If you do not have this number, you will need to call 775-684-1030 to get your WebID for registration. When you reach this page, you must choose Business Entity from the Entity Type drop-down menu on the left side of the screen. Next, you will need to choose Medical Laboratories from the Business Unit drop-down menu to the right. The red circled area with the description credential number is referencing your unique license number. You must put the license number that is associated with your facility in this area. You will only enter the numbers before the letters. For example, if your license number is 1234EXL-0, you will enter 1234, not the letters, not the dash, and not any numbers after the dash. Once you enter the credential number, you then must enter your web ID referenced in the previous slide. Once populated, click on the Next button. You will be registered, and your facility information will be presented. It is important that you check the information in your facility profile, especially the email address. This will be the method of communication that the licensure unit of the Bureau of Healthcare Quality and Compliance will use to communicate with your medical laboratory's contact person regarding any applications that you submit for your facility and to set up inspections. If you don't complete the required fields, you will not be able to register and complete any of the online processes that are now available for your convenience through this website. If you are a new provider with no medical laboratory license number, you will need to use the second box on the left-hand side of the login page for applying as a new medical laboratory. This is the screen you see when you begin a new medical laboratory application. Remember, the word credential now replaces license number. You must complete the Nevada Secretary of State's Silverflume process to register your company before you can complete the application for licensure. At the beginning of this process, there is a link embedded in the first page for Silverflume that will allow you to complete that process. Once you have completed this portion of the process, the Silverflume business ID number you have been assigned will automatically populate that item in the application. Make sure that the information you are inputting is complete and correct. Until you are able to complete the application and upload all of the requested documents, the application will not be available for review by the HCQC Medical Laboratory Licensure Unit. If you have difficulties with the application, please contact the Medical Laboratory Licensure Unit for assistance. An appointment can be made with our staff for assistance by phone or in person, where you will use the kiosks that have been made available for that purpose. The kiosks are located in the HCQC offices in Carson City and Las Vegas. Here are the addresses of those offices, along with the phone numbers you can call. We hope this video tutorial has been helpful for you in navigating Nevada's new online health facility license system. We'd also appreciate any suggestions for future educational videos, and you can send them to our Education and Information Officer at nkorme@health.nv.gov. Thank you for watching.